What is a compound sentence in English? A compound sentence is created when two simple sentences are joined together using conjunctions, that is for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Compound sentences connect ideas and make our writing or speaking more natural and smoother. For example, I enjoy reading books, but my brother prefers watching movies. So but is a conjunction which makes the sentence compound. Now remember to place a comma in front of the conjunction when you write a compound sentence. Look at some more examples here and observe where I put the commas just before the conjunction. I wanted to go for a walk, but it started to rain. We went to the park and we played football. We can watch a movie or we can play a board game. He worked very hard, so he passed the test. The sun was shining, yet it was very cold outside. She studied all night, so she passed the test. Nor does he like coffee. Continue to practice compound sentences in your speaking and writing. Subscribe, like and comment so you can continue to watch my videos on Daily English. Thank you for watching.